Now for the fun part is mixing the color. I'm using Leather Max. It's I like the color. I like the way it goes on, and it's really nice. So start with a bright red, and then it has a bit of a rose hue to it, and then some darker brown. Let's see what we get. Ooh. Oh, when I talk about sanding, I'm going to use a 220 grit, and that'll be just along the very edges of the original sections. And then this will allow me to apply the filler and sand that down, and then apply the color to that so that we get a nice smooth result. So I've got my color mixed. One of the things that I noticed when I did the test, and one of the reasons why you want to do it, is you'll see how the medium dries, and it dries slightly darker. So I went a tad bit lighter, and just to see how it looks. I've got a little scratch there. Just gonna fill that in. Yeah, so not too bad a match. Yeah, so once that dries, it's going to be a good match. And then imagining that all around, it's going to be a nice blend. So I'm pretty pleased with this.